Time now is 8:45, and we were asking the attorney your legal questions. Attorney Chris Murray from the Haymond Law Firm joining us this morning. Chris, good morning.
Good morning.
So here's the question from Max P. It says, I am a delivery man and I injured my back about 15 years ago on my job. A couple of weeks ago, I was involved in an auto accident that was not my fault, and now my back is worse than the first time. Someone told me that insurance will not cover this because it was pre-existing. Is that true? What do we say?
Well, this brings me back to law school when we studied the case, and we call this the egg-shell skulled plaintiff. I think I said that correctly. And what that means is a defendant takes a plaintiff as he or she finds her. So if someone has a pre-existing condition or is more susceptible to injury than the typical person, the defendant is responsible for causing that injury. This is something that we encounter on a regular basis at the Haymond Law Firm, where someone has a pre-existing condition, say, like in this case, someone had a prior back problem, and then they re-injure it in a new accident. We can get compensation for our clients, but it's very important to have competent and experienced legal representation at your side, because the insurance companies tend to be a bit skeptical when someone has a prior injury. So what we like to do is we like to show the insurance company how this new accident changed the pre-existing injury. And so we'll ask the client, had you had any treatment for your, say, back in the last couple of years? Has the intensity of the pain changed? Has the frequency of the pain changed? And has there been any effect on your injuries? And we take that information and we negotiate with the insurance company and we say, yeah, my client had a pre-existing problem, but this is how the new accident made it different. So the answer to the question is you can absolutely recover, and just make sure you have experienced legal representation at your side when you want to bring the claim.
Awesome. I'm sure he's happy to hear that. Chris Murray, thank you so much for joining us this morning.